Assalamualaikum, hello everyone, my name is Asrah Minu Hayati. I want to share the traditional games of West Java, namely the traditional games of Bekelbol. The traditional game of Bekelbol. The first I want to describe the games. This Bekel game turned out to be influenced by the culture. The term Bekel itself comes from the Dutch language, namely Bekelspel or Bekelen. This game then developed in Java. Usually, Bekel is played by 2 or 4 players with mutually agreed rules. The second, I want to share the players. This game, Bekel is generally played by girls, but boys often play it. This game can be played by 2 or 3 players alternately. Bekel is a game that is able to train a coordination with hand movements and has several rules. Bekel games consist of a Bekel ball and 6 or more Bekel seeds. The third, as for how to play Bekel ball. Stage 1, players have the opportunity to bounce the ball 6 times with the formula 6 divided by 1. Stage 2, the player has the opportunity to wave the ball 3 times with the formula 6 is divided by 2 into 3. Stage 3, the player has the opportunity to wave the ball 2 times with the formula 6 is divided by 3 into 2. Stage 4, the player has the opportunity to wave the ball 2 times with the formula 4 plus 2. Stage 5, the player has the opportunity to wave the ball 2 times with the formula 5 plus 1. Stage 6, the players have the opportunity to bounce the ball 1 time with the formula 6 plus 1. The game continues to the next stage, namely sin and row. Or the player makes a mistake that causes other players to change. Game rules. Before starting the game, the first, second, and next player is determined. If the player makes some mistakes, the game is replaced by the next player. The player who occupies the most level position is the winner. The benefits of this Bekel game include train children visual coordination, namely the coordination between a voice and speed and accuracy of the hands when bouncing the ball. Catching Bekel seed and grabbing or catching the ball back. Train children concentration, improve the ability to control the fingers and hands, ability to mention body vision, and increase children's cognitive development. And next, I will share the second traditional game, namely Congklak. Congklak is a traditional game known by various names throughout Indonesia. Usually in games, a can of calm shell is used as the seed of Congklak, and if it is not available, sometimes also the seed of flint and small stones. Congklak is believed to have originated from an American, African, or Arab country, but this game is also quite identical to the traditional games of the Japanese people. Apart from the island of Java, this game is also known in other areas. Congklak spread to Asia through Arab trades. The way to play is very easy. Two players take turns to choose one of their small holes to be moved one by one to the other in a clockwise direction until the seed in their grip run out. The game ends when all the small holes are empty and all the seeds are in the big halls and benefit this game. So in addition to hunting, memory skills, Congklak games, and also analytical skills. By playing Congklak, you can learn to consider and choose the right move. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. And one message to all of you, never forget traditional games, whatever the games are, because this is one of our cultural hereditary areas, especially in West Java. Preserve the culture of your area so that it remains known throughout the world. And see you, bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.